BJP attacked Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau over his post with the singer Diljit Dosanjh, in which he praised the singer and actor but mentioned his association only with Punjab and not with India. PM Trudeau made a surprise entry ahead of Diljit's performance at Rogers Centre Stadium in downtown Toronto, Ontario, Canada. In his social media post, Trudeau praised Diljit and said that Canada is a great country where, quote-unquote, a guy from Punjab can make history and sell out stadiums. BJP leader Manjinder Singh Sirsa has attacked Trudeau, saying that he did not mention the name of India, and by doing so, he has once again hurt the dignity of his position. Prior to this, he had also replied to Trudeau's post and called his not naming of India as a deliberate mischief through word play. Let's listen in.
हमने दलजीत दोसांझ का कंसर्ट देखा, वो अद्भुत नज़ारा था, वो अतुल्य था। ऐसा कभी किसी ने पहले नहीं देखा। और वहां पहुंचकर वहां के प्रधानमंत्री जस्टिन ट्रूडो ने जिस तरह से उनके साथ खड़े होकर फोटो डालकर ट्वीट की, वो उससे भी बड़ा गौरवमय था। हमें बड़ा फक्र हुआ कि एक भारतीय, एक पंजाबी ने, अपने कलाकार ने अपनी पूरी दुनिया के अंदर ऐसी पैठ बनाई कि वहां के चुने प्रधानमंत्री आते हैं, उनके साथ खड़े होकर फोटो डालते हैं। छोटी बात नहीं थी। लेकिन जस्टिन ट्रूडो ने उसके बाद जो किया, मुझे उसका खेद है, दुख है। उन्होंने अपने अच्छे किए हुए काम को सब मिट्टी कर दिया, कूड़ा कर दिया उन्होंने। जब उन्होंने भारत के इस नौजवान के प्रति जब अपने भाव व्यक्त किए, तो उन्होंने भारत का नाम, इंडिया का नाम लेना भी ठीक नहीं समझा। मुझे लगता है एक प्रधानमंत्री को ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए। प्रधानमंत्री पद की बहुत बड़ी गरिमा होती है, उस गरिमा को उनको संभालना चाहिए था, उस गरिमा के मुताबिक उनको ट्वीट करना चाहिए था। मैं फिर कहना चाहता हूं, प्रधानमंत्री जस्टिन ट्रूडो ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, मैं दलजीत दोसांझ को भी बधाई देता हूं, लेकिन उस काम के बाद जो ट्वीट किया है, वो उनके उस काम को आईना दिखाता है, उसके विपरीत है, और उनकी ये सोच अच्छी सोच नहीं है।
My colleague Arzu stayed with us on the broadcast. Arzu, if you can take our viewers through the details of this latest controversy.
The Bharatiya Janata Party hit out at the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau over his social media post with Diljit Dosanjh, in which he praised the Punjabi singer but mentioned later association only with the Punjab but not India. And the controversy erupted where the BJP National Secretary Manjinder Singh Sirsa on Monday slammed Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, who referred to Diljit Dosanjh as a Punjabi singer instead of an Indian singer in the social media post. In fact, he also mentioned that I appreciate as the and had a photo with Diljit Dosanjh, but in the end, India, he mentioned Punjab. Appearance the Canadian Prime Minister wrote on X, stopped by the Rogers Centre to wish Diljit Dosanjh good luck before the show. He also mentioned once there are guys from Punjab can make our history and sell out stadiums. Diversity is not just ours, but he had not, in fact, mentioned any name of India, and that's why such controversy erupted, where BJP National Security Manjinder Singh Sirsa has called it as a deliberate mischief through wording. Yes, Devika.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.